So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add stock videos or stock footage into a design here on Visme. So once you're into the Visme application or the web browser, I go to the left-hand side of your screen, go to this option right here that says media and press on media. Then once you hear, as of right now, it actually is defaulted to stock. But if for example, you're on the embed tab, you can also go to stock right here. Make sure stock is selected, and then you can either browse some categories they have right here, or what you could also do is go to the top here, and then I'll just search up sports, for instance. Then press on return. Now it's going to fetch a whole bunch of different examples for sports here. So if you wanted to do maybe this football player right here, or maybe do another of this player, this person playing soccer right there, you can go ahead and press on that. Now the video is not going to play for right now because it is just loading it into the design. But you can also browse different stock videos and add different stock footage to your design. But it's a pretty straightforward process about how you guys can add stock videos into a design here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.